Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's lecture is system of units. What is a system of units? First we will discuss this, then the types of system of units. Then we will discuss what is SI system, what is the importance of SI system, why this system was introduced, and then finally at the end of the lecture I will give you a worksheet, and in that worksheet I will give you different questions. You will solve these questions. This will increase your knowledge. This will clear your concepts. So this is the purpose of this work. So this is the purpose of that worksheet. So you must solve that worksheet. So today's lecture is the system of unit. First of all, we will define what is system of unit. So four things we are going to discuss in this lecture. That is first the system of units, then types of the system of units, then what is SI system of units, then at the end I will give you a worksheet. In that worksheet there are given different questions. You will solve these questions. These are the four things we will discuss in this lecture. First, the system of unit. What is system of units? The complete set of basic units and derived units is called as a system of units. The complete set of basic units and derived units is called as a system of units. Now, every system has its own basic units and derived units. When we combine all the basic units and the derived units, then we get a complete set of units. That complete set of units is called as a system of units. Now, there are different system of units, and the units of one system are different than that of the other system. So every system has its own basic units and derived units. Next, the types of system of units. There are four major types of system of units. There are four system of unit. Number one, the SI system of unit. And SI system is the international system or the system international. It has 7 basic units and all other units are the derived unit. Then we have the MKS system. MKS system has 3 basic units. That is meter, kilogram, second. MKS means meter, kilogram, second. So meter, kilogram, second, these are 3 basic units and all other units are derived units. Then we have CGS system. CGS means centimeter, gram, second. Centimeter, gram, second, these are 3 basic units and all other units are derived units. Then we have FPS system, foot, pound, second. Foot, pound, second, these are 3 basic units and all other units are derived units. So these are 4 basic units. These are 4 major system of units, and every system has its own basic units and derived units. Now this is a chart of the basic units of all the 4 systems. This chart has the basic units of all the 4 systems. These are the quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, intensity of light, amount of substance, weight. And these are the basic units of SI system. That is meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, candela, mole. These 7 are the basic units of SI system. Then we have the basic units of MKS system. MKS system has 3 basic units. That is meter, kilogram, second. These are 3 basic units of MKS system. Then we have the basic units of CGS system. CGS system has 3 basic units, that is centimeter, gram, second. These are basic units of CGS system. Then we have basic units of FPS system, that is foot, second, pound. These are 3 basic units of FPS system. So this is a chart of the basic units of all the 4 systems. Now this is the chart of the derived units of the 4 systems. These are the quantities, that is area, volume, speed, velocity, acceleration, force, weight, work, energy, density, power. These are the quantities. Now these are the derived units of SI system, that is meter square, meter cube, meter per second square, Newton, joule, kilogram per meter cube, watt. These are derived units of SI system. Then we have derived units of MK system. And then we have the derived units of CGS system. These are the derived units of CGS system. Then we have derived units of FPS system. So this is the chart of derived units of all the four systems. Now we are going to discuss SI system, System International or International System of Unit. This is a very big system. This is the international system. This is implemented in all the countries. This system was introduced by the scientists in 1960. Now, what is the definition of that system? The system of units introduced by the scientists in 1960 near Paris for whole of the world is called as SI system. The system of units introduced by the scientists in 1960 near Paris for whole of the world is called as System International. Now, what is the background of this system? Before 1960, there were different system of units working in different parts of the world. But in 1960, there was a conference of the scientists near Paris. And that conference, it was decided that there must be a single system for whole of the world. So they introduced a new system for whole of the world. This new system is called as the System International or SI system. Now this international system is implemented in all the countries. It is implemented in the whole world. So all the countries are taking benefit of this system. Since it is implemented in whole world, so that's why it is called as System International. Now this system has 7 basic units and all the other units are derived units. So now first we are going to discuss what are the basic units of the SI system. Now this is a chart of the basic units of SI system. These are the basic quantities. These are the basic units. For example, length is the basic quantity, its unit is meter and meter is denoted by m. Mass is the basic quantity, its unit is kilogram and kilogram is denoted by kg. Time is the basic quantity, its unit is second and second is denoted by s. So all these are basic quantities, these are the basic units. So there are 7 basic units of this system. You can see. All these are the basic quantities, these are the basic units, and these are the symbols. For example, current is the quantity, ampere is the unit, and ampere is denoted by A. Temperature is the quantity, its unit is Kelvin. Kelvin is denoted by K. So these are 7 basic units of SI system. You can see. Now these are the derived units of SI system. These are derived units. These are the derived quantities. These are the derived units. For example, area is a quantity. Its unit is meter square and meter square is denoted by m square. This volume is derived quantity. Its unit is meter cube and meter cube is denoted by m cube. Speed and velocity, they have the unit meter per second and meter per second is denoted by m divided by s, meter per second. So these are the derived quantities and these are the derived units. You can see. Acceleration is a quantity, force, weight, work, energy, power, pressure, density, moment of force, voltage, resistance, and charge. So all these are the derived quantities, these are the derived units, and these are the symbols of the units. For example, voltage is a quantity, its unit is volt and volt is denoted by V. So these are all are the derived quantities, these are the derived units. So this is the chart of derived units of SI system. Now I want to give you a worksheet. In worksheet there are given different questions. You solve these questions. This worksheet will improve your knowledge. This will improve your study. This is very beneficial for you. You must solve this worksheet. These are different questions given in the worksheet. You solve all these questions. Again, these are questions. You solve all these questions. You solve all these questions. So today we have discussed the system of units, types of the system of units, and SI system. And then I have given you a worksheet. Thank you.